Hi. I am so excited to make this video, and that's Percy. Percy is a very sweet boy. He's about six years old. He loves string. I'll have to show you sometime. He goes crazy for string. Okay, I'm so excited. I wasn't actually planning on making a video today, but I got something in the mail that I wanted to make videos with. I saw it online. I thought this would be really fun. So, I don't know, hopefully, I feel like this is loud, so let me turn that down a little bit. Have y'all seen these before? I saw it on TikTok, and I could only resist for so long. Okay, I want this to be. I didn't want that to be super loud. So, these glow in the dark. I imagine I'll need to put them up to light for a little while first, and then they'll glow in the dark. So I think that will be a fun, that might be a fun video to make. But they are sticky. Not sticky to the touch, but are you ready? You ready for this? I think let me get them all out. Actually, I'll start with two. I feel like that is gonna be a really good sound. I feel like I'm getting a little just listening to it live. Probably so loud. I'm so sorry. I got too excited. I gotta hold it steady. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to play with these. Okay. Me too. Aren't these so fun? I love fidget stuff. Oh my gosh. I'm already addicted. Sometimes with this stuff, it's like, you never know. Okay, I think I can turn this back up. Oh, I think I turned that down. I think, there we go. You never know with this stuff if it's going to be any good. I'm so pleased with this. So if you've seen this in the ad, they like throw it against the wall or against the ceiling, and then it comes back down, and oh my gosh, it looked so fun to me. How good is that? I just know these are good sounds. So obsessed with these already. And how fun will it be when I give them some light so they get glowy? And then I'll make I'll do a video in the dark-ish. Oh my gosh. I am going to play with these Do I need more? I know I'm gonna play with these in meetings for sure. Oh my gosh. What I love is they're so sticky to each other, but there's like zero residue on your fingers. You'll have to tell me if you like this, and if so, what in particular you like. I'm so happy it's so fun that they're multicolored too. I didn't even plan it that I'm wearing a tie-dye shirt. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Pink, 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 pink. Which one is your favorite? Let's see if you can see. Pink, pink, pink. Watch me burst it day one of owning these. Pink, 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 pink. There we are. Pink, pink, pink. And we have a blue. Orange, 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 orange. When I was a kid, orange was my favorite color. As an adult, I like blue the best. But as a kid, I liked orange so much. My parents, they let me paint my room, and it was bright orange. That was a choice. I have the yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Yellow is my sister's favorite color. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so fun. This is my new favorite thing. Okay. Well, thank you. When I saw it, I was like, I gotta do a video while I open these so they can experience this at the same time as me. I hope you liked this quick little video. I hope it was not too loud when I messed up my mic earlier. Well, that's kind of fun. Gonna do 3. I'm gonna break these. They had green. I think they do actually. I don't know. Let me know if I need more. Or it'd be fun if they were a little bit bigger too. Anyway, thank you for joining me on this little adventure. I hope you like this. I hope maybe this helps someone relax. Maybe help someone get ready for bed. But thank you for watching. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being you.